Hello, this is lecture 35, first BSc, first sem, Maths, Unit 3. Problems on indeterminate forms from Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Now, in lecture 34, we have the problems up to 20, whereas now let us discuss the problem 21. Problem 21. It was asked in examination in 2019. So, this is the problem. It is find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B in order that limit x tends to 0, x into 1 minus A cos x into 1 minus A cos x plus B sin x whole divided by x cube may be equal to 1 by 3. May be equal to 1 by 3. Right. See that now. The solution to find A and B values. Next, given limit x tends to 0, 1 minus A cos x, it is x into 1 minus A cos x plus B sin x whole divided by x cube is equal to, or this is equal to 0 by 0 form. So apply L hospital, apply L hospital, limit x tends to 0, that is equal to, this step is equal to limit x tends to 0. So UV method, x into 1 is 0, differentiation, minus A cos x is A sin x, plus 1 minus A cos x is constant, x differentiation is 1. So 1 minus A cos x into 1. This is B sin x is B cos x whole divided by 3x square. So take this as equation 1. So now the denominator of 1, the denominator of 1 tends to 0 as x tends to 0, but 1 has a finite limit value 1 by 3, that is given. Actually, if denominator can be 0, it is to be infinite. But in the problem they are given that 1 has finite limit value is 1 by 3. So we need to proceed. We need to proceed further. So what we will do? We need to proceed further to find the limit. Then the numerator of RHS of 1 must be tends to 0 as x tends to 0. So in the one equation, denominator is 0. Even if numerator also will be 0, then automatically 0 by 0 form is there. Then we can proceed to the further to apply L'Hospital and find the limit value. So that as one equation now, the numerator tends to 0 as x tends to 0 means one equation of numerator. One of a numerator of 1. Numerator of 1 implies, what is the numerator of 1? X into a sin x plus 1 minus a cos x plus b cos x is equal to 0. This implies series numerator of RHS of 1 must be tends to 0 as x tends to 0. Now numerator of 1 tends to 0 implies numerator of 1 is this is equal to 0. Tends to 0 means almost is equal to 0. So that now 0 into a sin 0 plus 1 minus a cos 0 plus b cos 0 is equal to 0. This implies 0 plus 1 minus a plus b is equal to 0. This implies 1 minus a plus b is equal to 0. So take this as equation 2. Next, if the relation 2 holds good, if this is true, the numerator will be is equal to 0. If this is the relation is true, then 1 implies limit x tends to 0, 1 minus a cos x plus ax sin x plus b cos x divided by 3x square is to be true. So since it is to be true, to find the limit, it is to be again 0 by 0 form. So apply L'Hospital. The numerator will be is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus a cos x is 1 is 0, minus a cos x is a sin x from the previous step, plus ax cos x plus UV method. A sin x minus B sin x whole divided by, so from the previous step, numerator differentiation. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus A cos x is 1 is 0, minus A cos x is A sin x plus AX cos x plus A sin x. UV method can be differentiated. Minus B sin x whole divided by 3x square differentiation is 6x. This is equal to, apply the limit value now. A, this is 0 actually, this is 0, this also will be 0. So again it is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hospital so that limit x tends to 0, A cos x plus A cos x plus, so take the x is constant, cos x can be differentiated, it is minus A x sin x plus x cos x, A cos x to be constant, x differentiation is A cos x plus this is to be A cos x minus B cos x whole divided by 6 is equal to, apply the limit, A minus 0 plus A minus B whole divided by 6. So this implies 3A minus B by 6 is equal to 1 by 3 value given. The limit has the value given 1 by 3. This implies 3A minus B is equal to 2. Take this as equation 3. Next, solving 2, 3. That is, 2 equation is minus A plus B is equal to minus 1. 3 equation is 3A minus B is equal to 2. So this implies 2A is equal to 1, implies A is equal to 1 by 2. Put in 2, so minus 1 by 2 plus B is equal to 1. That is minus 1, implies B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Thus, A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is equal to minus 1 by 2. These are the A and B values. So let us see the same problem of this type, 22. Find the values of A and B in order that limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus A cos x minus B sin x whole divided by x cube may be equal to 1. So this problem is asking in 2014. Next, 2015, again 16. So 3 times they are asking that problem. So that its solution is to find the A and B values given limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus A cos x minus B sin x whole divided by x cube. This is is equal to 0 by 0 form. So applying the L'Hospital is limit x tends to 0, x into minus a cos x plus 1 plus a cos x minus b cos x whole divided by 3x square. Next, take this as equation 1. The denominator of RHS of 1 tends to 0 as x tends to 0, but the limit value of 1 is finite and equal to 1. Then at the time, then the numerator of RHS of 1 must be tends to 0 as x tends to 0, because if both will be, denominator only will be 0, automatically the limit value is to be infinite, but they are given the finite value, so that numerator also must be 0 at the time, 0 by 0 form. Then we can proceed to find the finite limit value. So apply now in one equation, x tends to 0, so 1 implies 0 into minus a sin 0 plus 1 plus a cos 0 minus b cos 0 is equal to 0. This implies 1 plus this is 1 plus, so actually it is 0 plus 1 plus a minus b is equal to 0. This is simply a minus b is equal to minus 1. Take this as equation 2. If 2 holds good, if 2 holds good, then limit x tends to 0, x into minus a sin x plus 1 plus a cos x minus b cos x whole divided by 3x square to find the limit. Again here is to be is equal to 0 by 0 form. As apply L'Hospital, so that is equal to limit x tends to 0, x into minus a cos x plus minus a into sin x, UV method, minus a sin x plus p, this differentiation, plus b sin x whole divided by 6x. Again it is equal to 0 by 0 form, because this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this also will be 0, denominator also 0, so that 0 by 0 form. As apply L'Hospital, limit x tends to 0, x into a sin x plus minus a cos x plus b cos x whole divided by 6. This is equal to Applying the limit x tends to 0, 0 minus a plus b divided by 6 is equal to, how much value is given the problem, is equal to 1 given. This implies minus this is minus a. How many minus a's are there here? Here is to be, take this, x into a sin x differentiation plus minus a cos x into 1, and this is to be minus a cos x, and this is to be minus a cos x plus b cos x whole divided by 6. So limit x tends to 0 means this is 0 minus a plus b whole divided by 6. It is minus 3a plus b is equal to 6. Take this as equation 3. So solving 2, 3. The 2 equation is 2 implies a minus b is equal to minus 1. 3 is minus 3a plus b is equal to 6. This implies minus 2a is equal to 5, implies a is equal to minus 5 by 2. Next, put into minus 5 by 2 minus b is equal to minus 1, implies b is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Thus, a is equal to minus 5 by 2, comma b is equal to minus 3 by 2. So these are the 2 important problems. Thank you very much.